are you crying? Hi! Say hi! Hi! Laki na damit sa kuya niya. Look at Mama's hair.
This is a box.
Yeah, it's a box. Show your box. Wow, nice. Why are you crying? Huh? Why?
I'm not going to the home.
Huh? Why? Why did you cry?
I'm not going to the home.
Takot ka kay Angko? Ha? Takot ikaw?
I got one. It's a big car. It's a big car.
Wow.
It's so nice. So nice.
So nice. That's the box. Ang daldal na to, madaldal na.
No, she's inside.
That's the box of jewelry. Silver. Nakuha mo na naman yung shirt mo dyan. Saan ka pupunta? Ha? Lalabas ka? Ba't mo kinukuha yung pants mo dyan? Where are you going? Laway mo. Lalabas ka ba?
2 hours later.
Little 9, little 10, little Indian boy. What's next? What's next? When you sing Wheels on the Bus? Mama's makeup. Yeah, Mama's makeup. Hi! Say hi! Hi! Laki na damit sa kuya niya. Pidalitan ka kasi basang-basa na yung ano niya, yung damit niya. Basang laway. Up! Sorry! Ay, magbibis ako, anak. So, ayan yung ready for school na tayo, mga mi. Ayan, uniform ng STI. Malapit na tayo matapos dito sa STI. Counting kembot na lang. Kasi ngayon, research na lang kasi ako. And next year's OJT na natin. So, good luck!
2 hours later.
Nandito na naman yung batang madaldal. Yeah. Who is this? Ito. Ito si Ace. Ito. Mama. Ito. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Ace. Good job. What are you eating? What are you eating? Show your biscuit. Yeah, show your biscuit. Dali. Ace, yeah, it's Ace. Naku, laway ni Ace. Laway ni Ace na. Tawa ka pa. What is this? Pizza. This one? Huh? Drainage? Really? Is it drainage? Are you sure? This one is pizza daw. Pizza. Drainage? No, it's not. It's not a drainage. Oh, di ba? Nagbubbling na naman siya. It's a shape. Shape. Square. This one. What is this? Pizza? Can you give me a pizza? It's yours? Lagay dyan. Can you give me a pizza? It's yours. Wala kay mama. Wala na pizza kasi tinanggal mo eh. Kagat sa kanyang bear. Sa kanyang black bear, kagat. Kagat sa black bear. Hilig-hilig niyang mga gat, ginagawa niyang kagatan yung bear niya. Dalawa yan eh. Ayun ko nasa niyang isa. Baka dinala sa taas. Uh-oh. Minsan nangangamay laway na yan. Puro kagat niya. Ang gusto niya. Ang gusto niya yan eh.